David Smith here with another flipped classroom math video. A few tips before we start. Remember that you can speed up or slow down the playback if that helps you follow along. You can also pause the video at any point to catch up with your notes or to try the problems before I explain. Lastly, you could turn on the captions and follow along with my words on the bottom of your screen. Okay, today's topic, high dive unit introduction. So we're about to start this unit and I wanted to record a video to get you going just to orient you to the unit problem that we're going to need to solve. So in a nutshell, there's a Ferris wheel with a diver on it. Ferris wheel, diver. Ferris wheel is spinning counterclockwise. And then there's this cart over here that's got water in it. I think you're probably guessing where this is going. The cart is moving this way. The problem is to figure out when do you release the diver so he falls into the moving cart and lands in the water and goes splash instead of lands on the ground and goes splat, which we don't want. So we're going to spend some time exploring this problem and a few other things along the way to solve that. So let's go into a little bit more detail so you're oriented to the problem. So the diver's standing on a platform on this Ferris wheel at what we call the 3 o'clock position. That's 3 o'clock on the clock. So this would be 3, this would be 12, this would be 9, and this would be 6. So when we talk about the Ferris wheel, we talk about these o'clock positions. That tells us where it is. And keep in mind that it spins counterclockwise. Okay, couple pieces of information. The wheel's radius is 50 feet. So from the center to the outside of the wheel, that's 50 feet. The center height from ground, that's this center there, it's 65 feet above the ground. Okay, so that sets up the wheel. The wheel rotates one time every 40 seconds. So it takes 40 seconds to go all the way around till the diver is back again at the 3 o'clock position. So now, with that information, you know how to describe the diver. Okay, that's everything you need to know for the diver. Now let's look at the cart. The cart's over here. It is 240 feet from the center of the wheel. That's the foot marker. So that's 240 feet away. It's moving this way, okay? So we know that. It's moving at 15 feet per second, okay? So it's moving along at that rate, dump, dump, dump. And then finally, the water is 8 feet above the ground. So 8 feet above ground. That's the water. Okay? So I think that's everything you need to know. Now don't go rush off and try to solve the unit problem. We're going to take our time with that and explore a few other things along the way. Also, this information is essential for solving the unit problem. So if you haven't already jotted down all these particulars, you probably want to do that. And you want to get used to drawing this diagram. We're going to refer to that a lot during this unit. Now that you've finished watching the video, take a moment to jot down any questions you have so you can bring them to our next class and get some help. You can also watch the video again to perfect your understanding. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button down below, and if you'd like to help me grow my YouTube channel, please click subscribe.